guys, Ibn Ganja here. So I finally got my hands on Vestratto's Anvil, and man, this thing is a fucking beast. I hope to post more hands-on videos with my experiences on it soon, but goddamn, I'm having a blast dialing it in. So what I'm doing in this video is I'm using the iSpire wand to heat up the Anvil. I was reading that it's not recommended, but I was curious what the results would be. Spoiler alert, it's certainly doable, but not at all ideal. The wand is underpowered for the anvil, and it's far too slow to reach the clicking temperature. And when you do get it, the hit is pretty wispy and not really anvil-like. What I like to do is I like to use my single flame torch. I love the easy and consistent results I get. I find that I don't even like playing the game of riding the line. I like heating the middle, slow 40 to 45 second roasts, and man, the hits I get and the heat retention with this thing is just incredibly enjoyable and efficient. Anyways, subscribe to keep up with my vape adventures, and stay tuned to check out the rest of the iSpire experiment for science.